Hi and welcome to another video in my Adobe Bridge 2020 series. Now in this video we're going to look at the filter panel. Now sometimes the content panel can become a little overcrowded with images, and it'd be useful to filter out images that I really don't need to look at the moment. Now you can control which files appear in the content panel by selecting criteria in the filter panel itself. Now the filter panel displays the number of items in the current set that have a specific value. For example, if we have a quick look at here, we can see that we've got several different criteria. And if I just say ratings, so I'll just click the little disclosure triangle, and you'll see that here it's telling me that I've got 22 files with no rating, 2 files with 3 stars, and 3 files with 5 stars. And I can just check that box. So now this is just showing me the 3-star images. And if I untick that and tick that one, then I've got 3 images that have 5 stars. Now these are sticky, what they'll call sticky. So basically if you've got to unflag as well. So if I go and look at my 5-star images and then say, oh, I'll go and look at my 3-star images, I'm now looking at my 3-star and my 5-star. So if you just want to look at one, then you have to untick. Okay, so we'll close that down and just have a look at something else. So we've got keywords. Well, we've got 23 images that have the Chania as the keyword, and 1 that's got a fisherman, there we go, and 3 that have mountains. So you can see when I'm going with this that it's a really good way of really lowering your visual load, if you like. So you're not having to look and scroll through a lot of images. Now all these categories in the filter panel are dynamically generated, and it depends on what criteria you added to your images. So now say we've got these to look at, but let's add let's say a label to an image. So I'm going to click first on the thumbnail, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to select label, and then let's add a red label. And you can see now that here we've got a red label. But now in the filter panel we've got an extra category. We've got labels. So now I can look at all the ones that's got no label, or I can just look at the one that's got a red label. Okay, let's add another one. So we'll say this one. I'll just click and right click, go down to label, and we'll select a yellow, and there it is. And now I can search for my red or my yellows. Now, if you have a quick look, if we go into the label, here you can see that we've got the red label is select and second, and green is approved. These may not suit you, and they can be changed. And we do that by going to the edit menu and down to preferences, and then we select the labels submenu. And here we can see we've got our options, and we can just click and type in there what we want those labels to say for us. Also we've got this require the control key to apply labels and ratings. Personal choice, I don't have that set because I prefer just to press the 6, 7, 8 or 9 to actually apply a label rather than have to mess about with the modifier key. Now a really useful feature that I find is to be able to find out if I have any images where I've missed the keywords. And so let's just close down the labels section and we'll open the keywords section. And here it tells me that I've got 3 images that have a keyword of mountains, so they've got mountains in them. I've got one where I've got a fisherman, etc, etc. But there's also this no keywords section. So if I click on that, it shows me all the images that have no keywords, and I can quickly arrange to put some keywords into those images. Well, that's it for this video. I do hope you found it useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or leave a comment under the video. And please click the subscribe button to help me build my Photoshop and Lightroom learning community. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.